focused on short storytelling, has accumulated over 40 million views and generated more than $10,000 in just the past 30 days. These kinds of simple, viral food and short format accounts have earned between $20,000 to $30,000 in the last month. It sounds unbelievable, right? But I have personal experience with these strategies, and these numbers are real, driven by a highly calculated approach for fast growth and maximizing monetization. There are tons of videos about this on YouTube, but this one is going to be different. You'll learn to create precisely the kind of videos the YouTube algorithm favors, helping them go viral. I'll teach you the key steps to follow, and just as importantly, the common pitfalls to avoid for successful YouTube shorts. So sit back and get ready to learn. But first, I want to be clear, this video isn't about cranking out hundreds of shorts in an hour or using AI-generated content, as those typically don't work. You're unlikely to get even 10 views with those approaches. Here, I'll cover what really matters: finding the right niche, editing for virality, picking the right music, writing impactful scripts, and more, all the elements that make a YouTube short successful. Let's get started with a strategy that closely aligns with the YouTube algorithm, so we can get that initial boost and start seeing results quickly. With over 3 million videos uploaded daily to YouTube, it's essential to stand out. Think about it. Would you rather watch the low-effort, AI-generated content on the left, or a well-edited video on the right? Now, the first thing we need to discuss is choosing a good niche, one that performs well specifically on YouTube. Here's what I mean. A few months ago, I tested a new shorts channel by making videos about science and paradoxes in life. The videos were interesting but weren't picked up by the YouTube algorithm, so the views came only from YouTube searches. Ironically, the same videos did well on TikTok, with about 170,000 views in the first week. This highlights the importance of choosing niches that work well specifically on YouTube, since its algorithm differs significantly from other platforms. But how do you filter out these niches? It's actually pretty simple. Just scroll through your YouTube Shorts feed, looking for shorts with at least 500,000 likes. Avoid niches that only had momentary virality and fizzled out. Some channels serve as good examples. While they've had viral shorts, they also consistently generate strong views across other shorts. The beauty of this approach is that YouTube Shorts tends to serve videos aligned with your interests, so studying these channels gives you niche and video ideas in areas you already like and know well. Next up is scripting, which is essential. You can't skip it. Either your editing needs to be phenomenal, or you need a good script. You can substitute one for the other, but having both will exponentially boost your audience retention and views. This is exactly the strategy used by Mr. Beast. Each video of his has a compelling story, starting with a hook in the first 5 seconds, followed by plot development and a resolution, all within 1 minute. He treats each short like a mini-movie, where the narrative is everything. Jenny Oyos, a YouTube Shorts expert, emphasizes that it's not the topic or niche that matters most, but the story you tell and how you present it. Your story needs to carry emotion, follow a consistent narrative, and maintain that tone throughout. You can add jokes, suspense, sadness, anything, as long as it's cohesive. This is a critical part of our strategy, and another crucial factor is script length. Marcus Jones researched the relationship between the length of a short and its potential for virality. He found that longer shorts often perform better, which makes sense. YouTube wants users to stay on the platform longer, as it increases their revenue, so they're more likely to push longer shorts that keep viewers engaged. However, any extra length needs to be justified. You can't simply stretch a 10-second short to 50 seconds without reason, but adding a story gives it a purpose. Look at Mr. Beast's videos, where the basic idea is just people winning money. It's straightforward, but the intrigue lies in how they win, what challenges they face, and their reactions. He transforms simple ideas into engaging 1-minute shorts. That wraps up the first phase, and I'm now ready to start creating videos. I've decided to repurpose existing clips, meaning I'll search for interesting content on YouTube, edit it thoughtfully, and turn it into a short. And yes, this type of content is monetizable, as long as you add your unique value. Jake Craig used this exact approach for football videos, earning $3,000 monthly from YouTube Shorts ads. Here's one of his videos as an example. It follows a solid script instead of just being a copied clip. By creating suspense, he keeps the viewer curious to see who will win each round. His videos are also over 40 seconds long, and he uses pop-up circles and arrows. With all of these elements combined, his channel has grown tremendously. If we apply the same principles, we can achieve similar results. The niche I'm focusing on will be courtroom videos. I've noticed a lack of quality shorts channels in this niche. Even though interest is high, many long-form videos in this area garner millions of views. There's already a wealth of content on YouTube that I can edit and repurpose into interesting, digestible shorts. I can make these long court videos engaging by focusing on the case, verdict, and main points. To give my first video a boost, I'll start by looking at the most popular videos in this niche. Go to the largest channel in your niche, click on popular, and you'll see their top videos, which the algorithm promotes heavily. By recreating similar videos with my unique edits, there's a chance my video could gain similar traction. Next, I'll recreate this second most popular video from the channel. I've downloaded the source clip, and I'll edit it clip by clip to create something similar. For editing, I'm using CapCut, a free, user-friendly tool ideal for beginners. Although I can't cover the full editing process here, you can check out tutorials on editing short-style videos in CapCut. Here's my video. It's similar to the one I modeled, but still lacks a few elements, like captions. Captions are crucial attention grabbers for shorts, hooking viewers quickly. Luckily, CapCut has free AI-generated captions, which makes this easy. Just click the button, and it's done. You can style the captions however you like, but I recommend using 2 to 3 words per line to avoid crowding the screen. For my captions, I've chosen white as the primary color, with bold red and yellow for emphasis. Red conveys danger, while yellow conveys emotion. However, the video still needs music. Music sets the tone and helps the video resonate with the intended message. Always use fitting music. For instance, don't use upbeat music for a sad video. In my case, I selected a fitting, slightly ominous track to match the confessional tone of the courtroom scene. Here's the final video, which highlights a person's confession. I'll upload it and check back in 24 hours to review the results. I've done everything on my end to maximize its success, so let's see how it performs. If this doesn't work, I'll need to rethink my strategy. Now, for the big reveal, it's been 3 days, and I've uploaded 4 videos so far. Was the time spent watching my video worthwhile? Did I back up my claims? Absolutely. My strategy worked, though it started slowly at first. Over time, the algorithm began promoting my content, and here are the view counts for all 4 videos. While they're not in the millions yet, for a brand new channel, these results are impressive. I believe that by month's end, the videos will reach millions, given their strong engagement, high like ratio, and positive comments. In just 3 days, the channel has gained 370 subscribers, and audience retention is excellent, proving the power of captions and thoughtful edits. Honestly, I didn't expect to see half of these numbers this quickly. At this pace, I may reach the monetization threshold next month. I'm keeping my channel anonymous for now to protect the integrity of my algorithm strategy, but I promise to reveal it in a follow-up video. If this is what 3 days of work can accomplish, imagine what a week or month could bring. These strategies work if you put in the effort and